Welcome to Melasti beach, Uluwatu, one of my favorite beaches in full entire Bali so far. And I'm gonna tell you, it's Saturday around 5 p.m. and it's kind of busy today actually. As you can see, there are some, of course, the international visitors here, but mostly local Indonesians. And well, that's the name of the beach. Everyone asking, where are you, Damian? It's called Pantai Melasti in Ungasan, you can see at the front of us. And that's the people making pictures. Characteristic place with these gates. So much new buildings where you could take a rest or something like this. And well, like I said, many local people here. That's without any doubts. Currently this beach is very popular for Indonesian people, which I think is good, but let me know what do you think. But also you can find time to time some international visitors, like this lovely couple wearing matching yellow outfit on the motorbike here. As you can see, all of those people actually are locals sitting. They probably came with the big bus because we saw so many big buses, and I'm just curious why they are sitting actually here and what is actually going at the front. Actually making pictures down there.
Can you hear the sound of the beach clubs? Yes, behind me is the catamaran, or now it's called TT beach clubs. So basically in Melasti beach area there are 6 or 7 beach clubs nowadays, becoming so booming. It's just like mostly the local tourists, they are coming from other parts of Indonesia, mostly the school bus having a trip to Bali, and just like behind me. So yeah, big bus parking over there. So long time ago guys, the school bus actually goes to Kuta beach, but now whenever they have a tour to Bali, mostly they are going to Pantai Melasti. As you see, so many people pack.
Well, everything seems like it's back to any kind of normal. When I was vlogging here during pandemic, it was like almost not many people was here. Well, like, there was the time when the beach was closed, obviously, but in general, when it was open, was not so many people. Now, all the big buses are coming. The only difference is that not big buses with Chinese tourists like it used to be, or something like that, but the many local tourists coming here. Let's go to the beach right now. That's the situation when you arrive to this beach. It's like a parking area, actually so many parking zones and some places to make pictures. And now let's see how it looks the beach itself, and of course so many beach clubs surrounds.
So the thing about Melasti beach is that whenever you finish having a swim in the beach, and behind me just like this there is a free public shower. This place is really accommodating people who just want to enjoy the beach. Very nice.
Very nice indeed. And at the front, obviously, there are the beach clubs, which is actually nothing new. If you are watching some of our older videos. Why are you laughing? Who was that?
Somebody is waving to us.
Recognize us?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, what's up? See you later.
Here behind me also, I think that the locals renting the sunbeds. There is a local stalls, the warung stalls, also selling coconut, beers. Over there is the beach club, but still the locals sellers have got opportunity to open their own business,
Which is obviously very, very nice.
One thing about the spot over there that is close to the parking area, what I can see, mostly they are local domestic tourists, but if you go deep inside, go to the west, close by the beach club, and more you will see the foreigners or international tourists enjoying the white sand beach, probably over there in the beach club as well. But on this occasion we will not go to beach club, because I think that whenever we come to Melasti beach we used to go to beach club, but at this occasion we just take you to stroll around to enjoy the sunset. Okay, so we decide to stop in the one warung owned by the local. We quite a bit tired, maybe because of the heat nowadays. Is the weather is much hotter than previously, but people really like to go to the beach, especially Melasti beach, just because they want to chill by the beach. And yeah, what I can say, how much The beer, honey?
And
I mean,
zoom
Roger?
on me, you see how I'm sweaty, how it's very hot in Bali. The beer is 35,000 per bottle nowadays.
People are enjoying it basically on the beach nowadays, and then will be sunset soon. I think that more and more foreigners actually going to the warung, the local warung like this, enjoying the time, enjoying sunset. So one thing that I recognize here is that mostly the foreigners who come here, they are European. If you are in Bali and then you are going to Melasti beach, you know there are many variety. I mean, you can go to beach club enjoying the music with the swimming pool, or you can just chill in the local warung owned by the local like this, you know. And yeah, so if you are in Bali and if you are in Melasti, which one do you prefer? That's the beach club basically. You can hear the sound of the loud music already, but we are here enjoying the sunset in the warung and chilling here. So yeah, it's gonna be sunset soon, and this is how nowadays the Melasti beach, it's developing a lot. And yes, the beach still, I think the cleanest beach in Bali, white sand, cleanest beach in Bali. So yeah, many people are enjoying their time with their friends, with their partners, with their family. So yeah, this beach is also child-friendly beach. Wow.
But the small warungs, they also call themselves beach clubs. I think this is just a very trendy name nowadays in Bali. And now it's just after the sunset, my favorite time to be on the beach. No risk of getting sunburned, and it's already cool and very nice afternoon breeze. Do you guys remember when we were like a month ago in the beach club over there, the White Rock, right?
Yes.
The White Rock. Now they're gonna have a continuation over here. Surely it's gonna be pretty big beach club, and I think maybe they're gonna even build over here. Now entry is the only like a construction site with the parking. That's the last shot of the ocean with the sunset, beautiful, and of course the remaining local warung.
So in Brawa Canggu, there is one biggest beach club in Asia, they said. But here in Melasti Beach, I think that the other big beach club is this White Rock Beach Club. I think this one is the competitor of the beach club in the South Bali. Canggu and Melasti Beach. If you want to see the beach club, those two places.
So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for being with us till the end. And as always, we're gonna see you tomorrow at 4 o'clock local time. We are making videos every single day already since over 900 vlogs. So see ya.